Today we're going to make lemon soda water using the SodaStream Revolution. What we will need is a SodaStream Revolution, a knife, a juicer, a lemon, a SodaStream bottle, and a plug. Step 1, you're going to want to make sure you plug in your SodaStream. The light's turned on. You're also going to want to check your SodaStream carbonator bottle. Make sure that it is secure. As you see, this one needs to be screwed into the top. Once you screw it in tight, you can replace the back piece right on. Step 2, you're going to want to take your SodaStream bottle and fill it to the fill line with water. It should look just like that. Step 3, you're going to want to place your SodaStream bottle in the SodaStream Revolution and push forward till it's secure. You'll know it's ready when the lights turn blue. Step 4, you're going to push the button on the SodaStream Revolution based on how carbonated you like your water. Once you hear that sound, you know it's done. Step 5, you're going to remove the bottle of carbonated water from your SodaStream. Step 6, you're going to cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bottle. Cuts real nice right there. And get your juicer. Step 7, you're going to close the cap to your SodaStream bottle and turn it in a circle to mix. Step 8, open your bottle and enjoy. Also guys, if you liked that video, please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching this. Like it, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.